In today's video, I'm going to attempt to eat my pregnant wife's diet for 24 hours. And my wife is Polish, so she likes to eat some weird oh my god. Right, come on, let's get this pregnancy food challenge on the way.
Right, meal number 1 for breakfast. You know what I love to eat while I cannot eat cold salmon?
Yes, I do know, because I see you eat it all the time and it makes me violently sick.
Mackerel with bagel.
Oh,
that's what you're going to eat.
Goodness, right.
Ha ha ha.
Come on then.
Actually cannot wait.
Prepare the mackerel. Oh my goodness, I'm not looking forward to this.
Right, so we do have meal number 1. I'm not going to lie. I love eating skinny bagel, protein bagel with soft cheese, lettuce, chicken with pesto. But today we'll have a mackerel.
Right, okay, here we are.
I'm not going to lie.
Do you want to open up?
No, thank you.
Let's have a look. This is mackerel in tomato sauce.
I know that you do not like mackerel. I know. Harry doesn't like fish, by the way, guys. I actually cannot.
I actually feel I'm going to be sick.
Eat that, babe. Oh my god.
Oh my god, right. Do you know what? I'm going to skip the bagel because this is nice. This is a protein bagel, but the mackerel, oh my word.
No, I'm not gonna lie. I know that you absolutely hate it. Harry is not a fussy person, guys, by the way. However, he hates fish.
It's
only fish and chips you like.
Right, here we go.
I can actually smell. You have to brush your teeth after that. Don't kiss me after. Come on, you need to eat full packet. Harry. Harry, come back. Come on. No, Harry, are you being serious? Honestly, you haven't even tried.
That is absolutely disgusting.
No, you're gonna have to eat.
Challenge mackerel. No, that's rotten. That's absolutely vile. How anybody can eat mackerel is beyond me. That is.
Look.
Oh my word! You are not human. Oh my! My breath tastes like.
Breath stinks.
It's disgusting.
You're gonna kiss me after.
Oh no! So there we are. First meal of the day. I have failed. And do you know what it is? I'm happy I'm failed. I don't care. I have failed. And I'm proud that I failed because that is disgusting. If anybody else watching this video likes to eat mackerel, you're weird.
How you should eat. This is not how the challenge works.
I'm going to have to go and brush my teeth now because that's so rotten.
I'm going to have some as
well. Okay. On that note, let's go to the gym.
Come on.
So the next meal which Natalia normally has every day is this bad boy. So should we get one and get stuck into it?
No, it's not. We're not gonna have. We're gonna go to the. Where we gonna go?
For that burger?
No, you wish. Actually, that's what we've had a few weeks ago, but we're not gonna have that today. No way. Let's go for something healthy.
Oh, please.
Come on.
Unfortunately, Natalia doesn't eat burgers every day. So we are going to go and have her next favourite meal, which is a healthy snack and a treat from the Naked Deli. Isn't that right?
Yes, I didn't know if I could tell people where we're going.
Are you sure you can't just lie and say, yes, I have a burger every day so I can get stuck in that juicy, delicious mammoth burger?
I am guessing you are very hungry after your breakfast. Mackerel, so
it's disgusting.
You deserve something a little bit better.
Never again.
I love. Oh, sugar.
We're getting squirted with water from over there. Yeah. Anyway, on that note, keep on going. So for the next meal which I've got to eat is...
You actually will really like it. So it's a Naked Deli treat, peanut butter and jelly with the protein smoothie. So we've got here protein powder, peanut butter, banana, and something else which I can't remember. Yeah,
and this is a peanut butter and jelly a healthy treat. And to be honest, this doesn't look too bad. And this, Natalia has to have traditionally.
Always on Sunday.
Always.
Actually, always.
We'll be honest, she doesn't have this every single day in her pregnancy diet, but she has to have it every single week. So here goes. I am going to give it a try.
Come on. Right, so, okay, go on.
First things first, the shake. I've not actually tried the shake before, so I'm quite excited about it. It's actually really nice. Very peanut buttery.
You see?
Very banana-y. Actually delicious.
It is. 1 out of 10.
I'd say 9 out of 10.
Very
now
good.
Let's try the snack. Come closer though. So you can do one of those shots.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I want one of those shots close up when I'm cutting it.
Come on.
Come in close. Ready? We're going to make this sleek and sexy. Ready? It
is quite so good.
Right, here we go.
Go on. I don't know why you never use fork.
Not that close. You see me grey hair when you get close.
What do you think?
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, I told you. It's the best thing ever. Guys, if you are ever at the Naked Deli, it's not just in Newcastle. In Newcastle, you need to visit this place. Remember? Nice. Yeah? Delicious.
So to be honest, having my pregnant wife's diet for the day isn't too bad. What that stupid mackerel.
Yeah. Right.
I'm gonna wash it down with coffee.
Enjoy.
So we're off for the next meal. Now this is something Natalia has been craving since day one of being pregnant, which is odd but not too bad, to be honest. So let's go and get this next meal. Who knows what it could be?
Hi there, you can there.
Not today.
What can I get you?
Can I get the wrap of the day on its own? But can I get 2, please?
Yep. Anything else?
That's everything, thanks.
Next window, thanks.
Thank you. So guys, the one thing Natalia has craved since becoming pregnant is
McDonald's wrap.
McDonald's, but just the wraps.
Just the wraps.
Just the wraps.
Sweet and chili.
But every day they have a different wrap, don't they? They have, today is Sunday, so this is the...
My favourite one, sweet and sour, yeah? Sweet and sour? Something like that.
Something like that. Sweet chili. Sweet chili.
Oh.
So if you're going to have any pregnancy cravings, at least it's pretty decent. So let's get stuck into this and see how good it is.
So
Are you ready for the unveiling of the wrap?
It's actually unreal.
So this is what I've had to endure for the full pregnancy with Natalia. Every day, I want a wrap.
Haven't ate every day.
Sometimes twice a day, I want a wrap.
I haven't ate every day, Harry.
Don't downplay for the camera. You know you've been wanting wraps every day.
Yeah, I want it every day, but I haven't ate every day.
Look at that bad boy. Let's get stuck into it. No, you got your own.
Oh, you actually got,
you got your own.
I know you've got a lot of chicken. Oh, you made me.
You know what? You can't go wrong with McDonald's, can you?
You see how lucky you are that you're eating my diet?
Salad, chicken.
It's good.
So well done, babes, having a pregnancy craving of a wrap. Because that's the type of diet I don't mind.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. So you're happy. So you see how lucky you are? Didn't even get bad food.
It's better than all of that crap you've been eating while pregnant.
No, just the fish. And you don't like fish, so it's not
yeah, and I'm sure there's more disgusting food yet to come. So I'm going to enjoy my wrap.
Liver.
Oh my word. Well, to be honest, I've never seen you eat liver during a pregnancy, so we can't eat liver now for the video because this is I try my pregnant wife's diet for 24 hours.
Yes.
Ba-bang.
Right, eat that and we're going to go for another meal.
Also guys, one last thing, if you're enjoying this video, please would you consider subscribing? It's free, isn't that right, Natalia?
Yes, that's so true.
You just press that button that says subscribe and it helps out the channel massively.
Leave the thumb up.
Oh yes, give the video a thumbs up, that's free as well.
Click subscribe. And what else? That's everything.
Switch on the bell notification.
That's another thing, yes.
Yeah, so every time we make a stupid video, you guys will be notified.
That's true.
Like, share, subscribe, bing.
You mean you're gonna make a stupid video? Because I'm just appearing on a video and you edit them and add them on. So, yeah.
On that note, next meal.
Laters.
Please tell me this is the last thing we'll have to eat today.
I think you're gonna like it actually. Right, so today we're gonna have twaróg wiejski, which is like a, I don't know, like a cottage cheese? No.
What?
A cottage cheese? What is it?
Cottage cheese.
Yeah. So what I really like to eat, guys, it's really good and it's really high in protein. We're gonna have that.
Looks disgusting.
That. And with what I'm doing, I'm mixing that with scoop of peanut protein powder, which is mixed with boiled water. So look, you need to mix that to make sauce.
Cottage cheese, boiled water and protein powder does not sound good.
It's actually really nice because look, I'm gonna create sauce. You got like 70 grams of protein, and it's. I'm actually shocked that you never tried that when I was making it. So we're gonna make that, and look. It's good.
Well, I know what protein powder tastes like, but
look,
to do this with it,
you're gonna put that on your cottage.
Just for reference, Natalia does eat this. I'll be honest, not every day, but she does eat this. Yes, I agree, it is a very nutritious, high in protein meal, but the thought of cottage cheese and hot, warm protein powder on top actually makes us feel violently ill.
Sometimes, you know, I used to add xylitol.
So this is it, I just have to eat it now.
Yeah, look, eat.
Okay,
try.
Okay. What, with spoon or fork?
Do you want me to record you?
No, it's recording, I'm sure.
Try that.
I'm just trying to make myself brave because it's like cottage cheese.
It's nice.
Cottage cheese with warm protein, but it looks disgusting.
Try. You know what you would need as well? Obviously, we don't have. Sometimes I mix it with a sweetener with protein powder or with xylitol to put on the top.
Okay, guys, here we go. Cottage cheese with warm protein powder on top. Salted caramel flavour, by the way.
It's really nice, actually. No, being serious, Harry. It's very nice.
Oh my god! Oh, it's like cold and warm. It's lumpy. It's actually making us cry. I can't.
No, you're gonna eat that, Harry. You're gonna eat fish.
I can't eat that. It's absolutely disgusting. Yes, I'm being serious.
No, please, eat that. Eat that. Eat that. At least that, Harry. Oh my god, please don't exaggerate that it's that bad. Oh.
It's disgusting.
You're really exaggerating.
I'm not exaggerating, that's absolutely vile.
I think it's very nice.
Oh.
I thought actually you're gonna like it.
You're just wrong. It's just wrong.
You don't like it?
No. If there's any pregnant women watching this, please comment below and let us know if you have any weird fetishes like Natalia does, like hot protein powder onto cottage cheese. Oh.
Girls and guys, try that and then let me know in the comments below if it's nice or not. But like I said, I would even add a little bit of sugar on the top of that. It's actually really nice.
Sugar. Do you know what that's like? It's like putting perfume on a pig. Perfume smells good, but it's still a pig.
Oh my
it's
God.
Basically saying if I put a sprinkle of sugar on, it's going to taste better. No, it's going to taste...
I've never heard you complaining so much during the day like you complain now.
That's because I've never had to eat your pregnancy food for the day. I'm normally having chicken, rice, broccoli,
I do have that
eggs.
as well, but today I have decided to choose different things for you, which I also eat or used to eat during pregnancy.
No, you just wanted to punish me for YouTube. That's what you want to do.
That's as well.
Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this strange video, please give the video a thumbs up. I know I've just asked that in the car 5 minutes ago, but please help. Let's grow the channel. Subscribe, like, share, everything. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Which will be probably next Sunday at 6 p.m.
Very good. And
Stay with us, guys.
Who knows what next week's video could be.
I don't even know what we're going to do next time.
Mind-blowing. Mind-blowing.
Do you have any ideas? You do, actually.
See you guys later.
Bye.